Who's excited for another year?
Seriously, these kids are monsters.
Are you kidding? These kids are saints. The best I've ever had.
These are your saints?
Oh, better than last year's 8th graders. Oh, I wish I were in middle school. Those are some of the best days of my life. Well, gotta go talk to the 7th graders. Start another fire in the gym today.
Where's my mug?
Whoa, Ed. The day hasn't even started yet and you're already in trouble?
Very funny, John.
John? Excuse me? It's Principal O'Leary to you.
What are you talking about? Are you trying to take my job?
You? As principal? God, what a nightmare that would be. Listen, you already missed homeroom. I'm not going to have you miss any class. Come with me. Let's go to class right now. And if you get kicked out of any more classes today, after school with me. Let's go.
Perfect. Now we have full attendance. We can get started.
Jen, oh, you're not going to make me sit and go through this whole charade.
You'll sit through this charade or sit it in detention. Have a seat. Okay, here we go. Question of the day. What's your favorite slang word? Keep it clean, people. Keep it clean.
What? Oh my God.
All right, here we go. Nate, you're up first.
Sigma.
How the hell are you using that in a sentence now? Well, Kiwan?
Skibbity.
Okay, Eddie, last one. What's your favorite word?
Okay, come on, Eddie. I've got to say something funny. Something to impress these guys. I've got it.
Seriously? Where do you even get that word? 2 of your friends are in guidance right now. What were you thinking?
I just wanted to fit in.
Is that what this is? You're trying to make friends?
Yes, Mr. O'Leary, yes, it's terrible. It's just so hard. It's like nobody seems to like me.
All right, Ed, listen, okay? I'm gonna let it slide just this one time, okay? I cannot condone this behavior, all right?
Yes.
But I can see your heart's in the right place, all
It
right?
is.
So I'm gonna let you off the hook this one time. But listen, today at lunch, I want you to sit with some new people, all right? Try to make friends the old-fashioned way, you know? Like by being yourself. Think you can try that?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. O'Leary. Thank you.
All right, Ed, just be yourself. Just be yourself and people are gonna love you. Thank God I packed this today. Hey, can I sit?
Come on, guys, let's go to recess.
All right, time to play some basketball.
Take that!
Just playing D.
Oh.
What are you all doing here?
Thank God you're awake. The kids have gone completely insane. They've accused Mr. Clifford of cheating in basketball. Now the whole grade is playing him.
What?
Oh my God, they've got him tied to the basketball pole. How the hell did they do that? He's like 7 feet tall.
Maybe we should just give the kids the school. They've already taken down the strongest staff member.
Oh, you think he's the strongest staff member?
Listen, this is ridiculous. How are we gonna fix this? What are we gonna do?
I got this. Thank God that's over.
Ed, you got something in your hair there in the back.
What? What the?